This is a company that has a roofing widget. It's an online estimator, basically. So there's other ones out there. To be honest with you, this one is very good. I've tested it. It integrates with everything. It carries the Google tags all the way through into your CRM. There's other ones that are CRM specific, like you could get one that's built into JobNimbus. There's also Roofl. Those are very expensive. They're about twice the price of this one. So this one in particular is 175 bucks a month, and there's no contracts, and they give you the first month free. And there's no $2,000 setup fee or onboarding or contracts. This is the one that we're implementing right now for our clients, taking their pricing pages and going that step further. So you could kind of see, and I'll just rifle through real quick. Captures your name, phone number, address, where you heard. And you could take some of these things off. You don't have to have this here if you don't want to. I'll put in my home address. And here it is. There's my house, right? I'm going to go, they have fence, deck, all this stuff. I'm just going to stick to roof. And you can edit the pricing on these and because it's going to give you a range anyway. So it's going to just tell you, draw, okay, how detailed do you want to get? It's only an estimate, right? It's only a price range. And this helps increase conversions, right? So now you can see you've got it on there. You can add more products on here. You can add a deck on there if you wanted to. You could add other things that are on there, but just for sake of roofing, I'm just going to hit next. Yeah, you can see the different asphalt, clay, concrete, metal, slate. I'm just going to go 2-story, asphalt, medium slope. And you can see it's there to give you the range. Real simple stuff. Do I want gutter? Sure. It gives me the gutter measurements based on what I just laid out. I'm all saved. Boom. Gives me instant pricing estimate. Beautiful. And this goes into the CRM. It's already captured your information. It emails them a copy of it. It emails you a copy of it internally. And you can also, if you want to talk to one of these salespeople right now, you can put as many salespeople as you want in there. If you want to contact them right now, hey, maybe I want something, let's talk. Or you could put, hey, I've got a tree coming through my roof, whatever it may be. And you can set this up. It has webhooks that you can zap into a GoHighLevel. It can call people instantly after you zap them into the GoHighLevel and you have those automations set up. You could do a lot with this, but it has a lot of it just cooked into the original software that is now. It has a basic CRM. So if you're a smaller company that's working out of spreadsheets or not used to working out of CRMs, at least it has a mini CRM for you to work out of as well. And like I said, these guys are great. I've met with their lead team and they're giving it away. I'll be honest with you, for 175 bucks a month, 30 days free and no contracts. I've looked at all the other ones. I've tested the other ones. These guys are pretty good. And let's talk about, this is the old way. This is where we're implementing, because you can also take that widget and you can put it on like a pricing page. This is like a way that we do pricing to rank for, and this was just a simple calculator that we built out, doing similar things, but just through a dynamic form. Obviously, seeing your house has a huge impact. Having you being able to control it is a way better product, right? So what we're going to do is probably implement that into this and lay it on this page. Or you could just have that as a link where they click on something and it goes to that thing.